The journey of reading has been an intriguing one, from clay tablets to papyrus scrolls, from bound books to e-books. Each era has marked a significant shift in the way we consume stories, knowledge, and information. Our ancestors etched their tales on stone tablets. The invention of paper gave rise to bound books, making literature more accessible. Then came the digital revolution, transforming ink and paper to pixels and screens, e-books, blogs, online articles. These digital platforms have reshaped our reading habits, making it possible to carry entire libraries in our pockets. And now, we are at the precipice of another transformative era, the age of artificial intelligence. Imagine an AI that can curate content based on your preferences, or an AI that can help you read faster and retain more. The possibilities are endless. As we move forward, it's clear that AI is poised to play a significant role in the future of reading. AI's influence extends beyond reading, reaching into the realms of writing and publishing. Today, authors and publishers are harnessing the power of AI to streamline their processes and produce high-quality content faster than ever before. For instance, AI-powered writing assistance tools, like grammar checkers and style editors, help writers polish their manuscripts to perfection, while virtual editors use machine learning to provide in-depth feedback on plot development, character consistency, and more. In addition, AI is also breaking new ground in content generation. From writing short stories to generating news articles, AI programs are demonstrating their creative potential, though the human touch remains paramount in crafting compelling narratives. Moreover, AI algorithms can analyze a manuscript to predict its market success, thus helping publishers make informed decisions. AI tools are becoming indispensable in the modern literary landscape, enabling authors and publishers to work smarter, not harder. Imagine having a personal book concierge that knows your preferences down to a T. That's what AI brings to the table. In this digital age, our reading habits, preferences, and even the pace at which we read are being meticulously analyzed by intelligent algorithms. These AI systems then use this information to provide us with personalized book recommendations and curated reading lists. It's like having a keenly observant librarian who not only remembers every book you've ever enjoyed, but can also predict what you'd like to read next. Moreover, AI is not just stopping at recommendations. Some reading apps are using AI to customize the reading experience itself. For instance, changing the complexity of language based on the reader's comprehension level, or altering the storyline to match the reader's mood. With AI, the reading experience becomes a personal journey, tailored to meet our unique tastes and preferences. As we look to the future, the intersection of books and AI holds exciting possibilities. Imagine stepping into the world of your favorite novel through virtual reality, or watching characters come to life with augmented reality. AI could transform our reading experiences into immersive journeys, blurring the lines between reality and fiction. Consider also the potential of AI to create dynamic narratives. Storylines could shift based on your preferences, leading each reader down a unique path. The book you read could be a one-of-a-kind experience, tailored just for you. And let's not forget the impact on writers. AI could become a collaborative tool, generating ideas, suggesting plot twists, or even crafting character profiles. The creative process could be revolutionized, opening up new avenues for storytelling. The future of literature is a fascinating frontier, and AI is set to play a pivotal role in shaping it.